In this first exercise we are going to convert some existing parking stalls into mid-islands. The purpose of this is to create a feature within the parking row to protect the emergency exit doors at the rear of the warehouse in our drawing, and therefore prevent vehicles from parking in front of them. Select Edit Stall from the Parkcad toolbar. Select the stalls which need to be converted and hit the Type drop-down. Select the mid-island option and enter the width which we want the islands to be, which in this case is 18 feet, and then click Apply. Next we want to select the newly created islands and use the Shift command in the same menu to reposition them as required across the emergency exit doors. Our next task is to convert the parking stalls, which are immediately adjacent to the tyre centre, into a custom created tyre centre stall type. Select Edit Stall once again and select the row of parking. Hit the Type drop down and pick the tyre centre stall type. This type of stall will now be individually recorded when the site itself is reported on. Our next task is to modify the end island at the top left-hand corner of the warehouse and make its outer radius larger so that the drive aisle space is maximised at that point. Select Edit Island from the Parkcad Edit Flyout. Select the island we want to modify. Enter the new value for the island's outer radius. In this case we are going to make the radius 15 feet and then click Apply. Our final editing operation for this site design involves the lower parking lot. In our site design we have a loading dock which at present would be difficult to access by a large vehicle such as a semi-trailer. What we are going to do is modify the lot geometry and then update the lot. This will automatically regenerate the parking lot to the new boundary geometry. Select the lot boundary geometry lines and move them to the desired new position, remembering to make sure that the lines continue to form a closed boundary. Select Edit Lot from the Parkcad Edit Flyout. Select the lots which we are modifying and hit the Update Lot button. Then click Apply. This will automatically regenerate the lot to our modified boundary.